Hi, I'm Tammy Crow, and I'm your instructor for this course. And I just wanted to talk to you just a little bit today. The textbook that we have for this course is very readable. I will be doing video lecture captures in different formats for the semester. But for Chapter 1, I just think that your book does such a wonderful job that I would like for you to read that book. I'm also going to attach a PowerPoint that has some review of the key topics that are covered in Chapter 1. I also will be doing a narrated PowerPoint for Chapter 2. We're going to stay with what we said in the schedule for this first week. I feel like that there's a lot of things in chapters 3 through about 7 that you guys are fairly familiar with from your research and writing and statistics class when we're talking about validity and those type of things. So I plan to actually cover those chapters a little bit quicker than what we had said in the syllabus. And what I want to do is to lay out the key concepts in some some audio PowerPoints for you guys. And I know that expecting you to read all of those chapters in a week or so would be a lot to ask. So the plan is that I will provide you with audio or narrated PowerPoints where you will be able to just review the information very quickly, and then we can move on and start talking about the different kinds of tests. Because that's the part that I find exciting, and I hope it's the part that you're going to find exciting too. Plus, I really do feel like that you've probably had at least 2 or 3 semesters where you've talked about the validity and reliability and the z-scores and all of that type of thing. So we're going to move very quickly through that, and then we're going to spend more time. You really can almost think of this course as very similar to what an introduction to psychology or a general psychology course would be in regards to the field of psychology, except this one is just a general touching on all of the different types of tests, where we're not going to have time to get in depth on any of the tests. Probably the one that we will spend the most time is with the intelligence testing. And that's because I know that at the graduate level it's probably the one they have the least amount of time to spend. They spend probably the least amount of time on that. So we're going to touch on the other types of tests, and we're going to look at the difference in the group and the individual tests, and projective and subjective and all of those kinds of things. But first we've got to move through this other stuff. So if you guys will go ahead and get started reading Chapter 1, and when you finish that, if you'll look for the Chapter 2 PowerPoint. It's actually a video, but it started out as a PowerPoint. How's that? We'll talk later.